Okay guys, here is an instructional video for both parents and children who are having difficult time with this Common Core math. This is basic subtraction. What you see in front of you is the good, common sense, old-fashioned way of doing subtraction. 278 minus 86 equals 192. I'm going to first show you the steps to solving it with the Common Core method, and then I'm going to go through it again explaining the reason, if there is any, behind this. Okay, so we're going to start on a number line with our smallest number, which is 86. That's going to be right about here where you see the red dot. Okay, the small line in the middle is 90, the red dot would be 86. Then we need to get to 278. So that's going to be this red dot right up here. All right. The idea behind Common Core math is to use basics. We're going to count by 5s and 10s because those are nice round numbers that everyone knows how to count by. So, starting at 86, in order to reach a nice round number, we need to add 4 to get to 90. 86 plus 4 gives us 90. In order to get from there to a good round number, we need 10 more. That gets us to 100. 90 plus 10 gets us to 100. So we're trying to get up to the 200s. In order to get from 100 to 200, we need to add 100 more. So we add 100. In order to get to 270, another nice round number, we need to add 70 more. We have 200 so far, we need to add 70. Now to get from there to 278, we add 8 more. Now we've reached 278. There's our little red dot. Now what we have to do is add up all of these crazy numbers to figure out what is in between. What's in between are 86 and our 278. That is the difference. These numbers are the difference. So if we add up 4 and 10, that gives us 14, plus 100, that's 114, plus 70, that's 184, plus 8, that's 192. So, all of this added together gives us 192. That is the answer to our original problem. 278 minus 86 is 192. This is basically a dumbing down of the curriculum. It makes sense. It does get them to the correct answer. It's very step by step, one at a time. But that is not necessary for normal human brain functioning, normal intellectual functioning. This is not a bad strategy to use for children that have difficulty with mathematics or for slow learners, children with learning disabilities. It's worth a try with them if nothing else is working. But with regular students, and especially with gifted students, this is the worst thing in the world. Parents, this is an explanation for you and for your kids, showing you how to do it so that you can help them since they're not learning it in school. They're supposed to be, but it's irrational, so they're not. And then teach them the good old-fashioned way. Make sure that your kids understand that they have to do it this way on the test, because the standardized testing is grading them based on how they do their math, not just on the answer. They can write this down as the answer, but if they don't show this work, they get the problem marked wrong on their testing at the end of the year. If they show this work, their problem is marked wrong. Teach your kids this work right here, the common sense math, because they're going to need that in the future, in life. But also make sure they understand this because they're going to need the Common Core and not so common sense math for school. If you have anything else in Common Core math, Common Core language arts that you're having difficulties with, that your kids are having difficulties with, my battery's running low. just leave it in the comments and I will see about making a video for that as well. Bye-bye.